Hey everybody, just Ron here. Gonna do another unboxing today. Please make sure you take a look at my videos, other videos on the channel, and hit like, subscribe. And like I say, we're gonna be starting to do some free gift giveaways soon. So everybody who's already subscribed has multiple chances to win. So let's get started with this opening unboxing here of a product that I picked up on Amazon. I'm gonna open the box up here. Alright, I think I know what this is. Get all the stuffing out of the way here. Alright, so very small boxes. Two very small boxes here. So I know what these are actually. This out of the way. So let's open them up here. These are going to be batteries, replacement batteries for the PlayStation VR controller. So you open them up here. These are replacement batteries for your Sony, and here's the model number here. LIS1441. It's got the model number CSSP115SL. It's got the voltage on there, 3.7 volts, and lithium battery pack. And the plug here goes right into your PlayStation View controller. So there's your PlayStation controller here for the VR, virtual reality. And if you look at these things, sometimes the battery life in those controllers goes out. And you see I'm pressing the power button now, no action here at all. So what you want to do is, you can order this. I'll put the description and the link. Get them off Amazon. They're probably about anywhere from $10, $11 to $13, $14. Some come with a kit that you can use to remove it from the controller. What you want to do is you turn your controller over, use the very small screws here. It's one here, one here, one here, and one here. And once you remove those screws, you're gonna get. And once you remove those screws, you're gonna open up the pack. Take this off, place this off to the side, and if you look closely here, there's a battery. There's your battery here. There's the old battery that came in there. Here's your replacement. If you look at the numbers, they all match up to ensure you have the right battery. You also want to look at the back of your Sony motion controller and make sure that the model number matches the battery type, because they do change. Make sure the model number matches the battery type when you order it, that it fits your model. Okay, so simple how to replace this. What you want to do is, and I can get the camera in here low enough, you want to take that clip here, the white clip here, and just take some pliers or something and pull it out. Your whole battery will come directly out here. And what you want to do is just put your new battery in and plug it in into the small clip down there at the very bottom, and right here. So here's the clip. The piece you want to pull out, you pull it out right here, and place the next one, your new battery in, and you're good to go. Charge it up and it should work fine. Once again, quick, easy fix for your motion controllers for your VR PlayStation. If you have any questions, post them below. It's a pretty easy process. Need some advice or run into some problems, I can help you out in there. Once again, it's just Ron, replacing my VR controller battery so my kid can go back and start playing virtual reality. These controllers cost about $40+ a piece, and we're going to replace the batteries for about $20. So make sure you like, subscribe, keep watching the channel. Free gift giveaways coming soon. Everybody, thanks for your support so far. Take care. Just Ron out.